Alright, the first company we are looking at is Way with Words Job. To get to this website, please check in the video description. I have inserted the link there, so click on the link and it will lead you to this website. Now let us read what we have on the screen together. Let me increase this font so that you can see what is on the screen. It says we are looking for highly proficient English first language speakers from the following countries and regions: South Africa, the United Kingdom, countries in the European Union, the United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Malaysia, Singapore, and Hong Kong. Alright, if you do not find your country here, do not worry. I have other companies I have to review in this video, and your country will be among, so you can apply and get started with typing and earning online. Alright, so let's go to the frequently asked question so that we'll know how this company pays their workers. Alright, so the first question we are checking out is, what is your rate of pay? Let me increase the font again. In terms of the rate of pay, this varies based on the type of work you transcribe and its urgency. Pay for transcription ranges between 0.45 cents to $1.73 per audio minute. Alright, how do I get paid? Our transcribers are paid monthly directly into their PayPal account, irrespective of who their account is with. Alright, do I need software, special software or hardware for our application process? As long as you have a working computer, a working copy of Microsoft Word, some software to play audio and video such as VLC player, and a great set of ears, sadly not available through Amazon, then you are all set. If your application is successful, we recommend suitable transcription hardware and software. Okay, can I still apply if I have never done transcription before? Of course you can. Should your application be successful, you will be guided through training by one of our dedicated recruitment team members. The best way to learn is through doing. So straight away we start training you up on live work, which of course for which you are paid. Alright, why do I need to do your assessment? Alright, let's check out this question. Our client expects superior quality transcripts from us, and we in turn expect top quality transcripts from our transcriber. Whether you are an experienced transcriber or not, we need to gauge whether your skill match our requirements. This includes an excellent knowledge of English language, a good set of ear for accent, the ability to research and type accurately, following format and meeting deadline. The assessment has been set up to test your knowledge and ability in this area and reflect the type of work we receive. Alright, is there fee associated with applying? Most certainly not. Alright, so because of the sake of this video, I don't want this video to get too prolonged. I will not be reading everything on this website. So if you are interested in this company, Way to Words Job, the link is in the video description, so make sure you check it out and you can apply by signing up for free like this and apply. Alright then, so let us go to the second company I have for you guys today. The second company we are looking at is called Ref. Alright, to find a transcription job with this company, you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen, not to the way bottom, but wherever you see this, let me increase the font. Wherever you see this, become a freelancer and work on your own terms. Now you see, join our community of 70,000 plus freelancers and get paid to caption, transcribe or subtitle content. You can work from anywhere and choose the job that interests you. We believe everyone deserves an opportunity to support themselves, even if their schedule doesn't allow for a 9 to 5 routine. So with this company, you can work from any country in the world, and all you have to do is click on this button that says become a freelancer here. So when you click on this button, this is where it will bring you to the real freelance job, let you work from anywhere, earn money transcribing, captioning or subtitling from anywhere, anytime. Now this is all the same. The pay range is from $0.30 to $1.10, and for the transcription is and the captioner is from 54 cents to $1.10. Alright then, they say you start making money in 3 easy steps. This is the first step. Take a quick quiz to demonstrate your English language and grammar skills. The second step, submit a transcription or caption sample which will be reviewed to ensure it meets customer quality expectations. The third step, if you are approved, you will be able to register and start earning right away. Alright, so know that you can do this with no experience at all. So everything you have to do is come to the bottom of the page and click on sign up to become a RAB freelancer. Alright, let us move on to the third company. The third company we are looking at is called Quicktate. There is not very much information about this company, but if you want to become a transcriber with this company, as you can see on the screen where it says interested in becoming a transcriber, click here. Just click on this button and it will take you to this page where you have to fill in your information and then you click on the contact support. Alright, let us move on to the fourth company. The next company we are looking at is called Scrabble, as you can see on the screen. To join them as a transcriber, all you have to do is come down the page, just scroll down the page to where you see join Scrabble as a transcriber. Now you are going to join them in 3 steps. The first step is sign up as a transcriber. The second step, set up paper account, and the third step, take transcription test. Now let's click on get started to see what we have behind this button. Alright then, as you can see on the screen, it says here how much you can earn in a month when you join them as a transcriber. For the intermediate level, you can earn up to $800 per month, and for the beginner level, you can earn up to $400 per month, and for the advanced level, you can earn up to $1,600 per month. So when you come down the screen, they will give you the reasons why you have to join them. The number 1 reason is earn $5 to $20 per audio. Automate transcript. It says let our AI help you get most of the work done automatically. Then work from home. This company does not have a restriction to a company, to a country or the other. Every country is eligible, and everything you have to do is sign up and start earning. Before you sign up, you might want to practice so that whenever you decide to sign up, you can get approved as early as possible. Alright, let us go to the next company. Before I go on with reviewing these companies, let me quickly note this, that I am not a financial expert. Every video I make is from research and my own personal experience. I am not a financial expert, so do not come to me to advise you about anything financially, okay? Alright then, so let me also note that the way you can make more money being a transcriber is by applying to 3 to 4 companies at a time. This is a way you can generate more money from home working as a transcriber. And if you have been following my videos, you can testify that I have made a video about Go Transcript before. Alright then, so how to join Go Transcript is by coming to the bottom of the page and click on join us as a transcriber. Okay, let us do that right now and see what we have behind this button. Alright, for you to have easy understanding about how this company work, you have to just watch this video to see how to join them. Alright, their pay is this, as you can see on the screen, up to 60 cents per audio or video minute, and averagely earning per month is $150, and top monthly earning per month is $1,315. And you can just click on the apply now to get started on Go Transcript. Before you can join them, you have to know that you have to take tests and everything, so that they will know that you are really capable for the job. And when you check out this website, you can check out the frequently asked questions, so that you can know more about this company before you even apply at all. Alright guys, let me review the last complaint and then we'll be done with this video. The last complaint I'll be showing to you guys is 3Play Media. Alright, because I do not want this video to get too prolonged, so I'll only be showing all the complaints I have shown, right? So I'll be giving more complaints in the video description, so make sure you check it out and you can apply onto this complaint as well. Alright, so to join them as a transcriber, all you have to do is come to the bottom of the page and click on freelance transcriptionist job, like I will do right now. And when you click on that, you will see apply to be an English transcriptionist, apply to be a Spanish transcriptionist, apply to be an English voice writer. For the sake of this video, I will only be clicking on the apply to be an English transcriptionist. Alright, so I am doing that right now and we will see what we have behind this button. Okay, as you can see on the screen, you can talk about the role, you can talk about everything. You just have to study everything you see here before you click on start new transcriptionist app. This is all I have for you guys today. If you get value from seeing this video, do not forget to like, do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to turn on post notification so that you get to see my video each time that I upload them. With this being said, I will say goodbye and I will see you next Sunday.